All right, when you think of the middle of summer, late July, you think of a day like today. This is the way it's supposed to be, right? Hot temperatures around, and how about some nice sunshine out there in downtown Youngstown? Yes, temperatures climbing on up to 89. Still hasn't hit 90 yet, but it has in some locations. Officially at the airport, not quite. 63, that's where the temperature was this morning. Let's go ahead and look at some of your locations and see where that heat is across the region, at least the worst of it. It's 90 in Hubbard, 91 over in Mercer. Salem showing up with 93, 92 down at Guilford Lake. Here's something interesting tonight, and this is what I was talking about. The air is dry relative to the actual air temperature. So looking at the feels like temperature, the airport, there is no heat index going right now. It's actually the air temperature, the same thing in Hubbard, down into Columbiana County, a little more humidity working through western portions of Columbiana County, so that heat index rising a little higher. Now remember, this is in the shade. You could add close to 15 degrees to this if you're out in the sunlight. So definitely a warm afternoon. Fortunately, not as humid as it could be, but still want to watch. If you have breathing trouble or know somebody that does, maybe a neighbor, you want to check on them. And of course, those pets, make sure they have plenty of shade and water. Humidity tracker overnight, pleasant to sticky. Later tonight into tomorrow, though, the humidity is going to start rising. So by tomorrow afternoon and evening, as the chance of a shower or thunderstorm moves in, that humidity will increase. Humidity tracker goes up. Temperature tracker starting tomorrow morning. Watch what happens. Get ready for another hot day. Late tomorrow afternoon, right into the low to mid 90s down into Columbiana County. So we have one more day of this hottest air, and then we'll cool things down as we go through the rest of the week, but still pretty warm. As far as radar goes tonight, I'm not worried about any showers or thunderstorms. They are still way off to our west. The next storm system brewing across the northern plains. This is going to sweep on in later tomorrow into tomorrow night, bringing a small chance of a shower or storm. Still not looking impressive as it moves through. Not this evening, though. Just prepare for a summer-like evening out there with those hot temperatures around. Tomorrow, temperatures starting the day in the mid-60s and then climbing through the 80s quickly by midday. As we go into the afternoon, the clouds are going to bubble up. An isolated shower or thunderstorm will be possible. Highs in the low 90s, not even close to a record. That's 100 or better both today and tomorrow. As we go into tomorrow evening, still warm and humid. The risk of showers and storms stay with us right into tomorrow night. By Thursday morning, all of that will start to clear. We'll get better weather moving in as we go into Thursday and Friday. Temperatures still warm, just a little bit cooler than these 90s we're dealing with tonight or today and tomorrow. 64 tonight, a few clouds around. Warm temperatures this evening, cooling down into the mid 60s by morning. Tomorrow, 92 degrees, a hot day, 30% chance of a late day shower or a thunderstorm. And then as we go into tomorrow night, still that risk of showers and storms should wrap up by early Thursday morning. Thursday's high, still warm, 85 degrees, 86 on Friday into the mid 80s this weekend. Small chance for a shower or storm Saturday, a 30% chance. Sunday looking dry, a better chance of seeing some rain early next week. And as we go into next week, we're going to see a pattern shift. We're going into a cooler pattern. So if you like this summer type of weather, days like today with the heat around, you want to enjoy it while you can, because next week we start to cool things off just in time for the Columbiana County Fair we were talking about. Yeah. So it looks like a pattern change on the way.
And hopefully get rid of a little bit of the humidity with that.
Yes, absolutely.
All right.
A little bit.